Hello guys, in today's video let's do how to fix this earphone or headset. Only work this right side earbud and no power to this left side one. So in this video I will show you how to fix it. And the main problem with this headset and earphone, it will stop working. It is because that the wire is disconnecting from inside, and so if we connect the wire again, if we successfully connect the wire or solder the wire again, then it will work fine without any problem. So let's start from taking out this earbuds. Okay, and to do these steps we need soldering iron, a lighter, a blade. Okay, let's go to the step and do it. Let's try opening with the hand. Okay. This is how it looks inside, and this is the speaker or whatever we can call it, and here is our problem. Here the wire is disconnected and we need to solder it. Okay guys, first let's and burn this insulation, and then we can solder it, and be careful not to melt the plastic. Okay, this is how we burn it. Now let's solder it. My hand is little shaky, sorry about that. If your hand is shaky too, then you have to careful it. You don't want to damage it. When burning the insulation, make sure that only burn little bit. If you burn too much, then the wire will be short somewhere else, and again it will stop working. Okay, we done it. Now soldering completed. Now before you put everything inside, you have to make sure that it's working properly, and you have to put inside. Now I am just putting everything inside, and let's see what happened. Putting back, here you will see a little mark, and this mark, hope you can see, this mark should be match correct with this marking, and let's close like that. Put it. Okay, it snap into it. Perfect. Okay, it snapped. Okay, here is how fix earbuds. If the problem is in this side, then you have to, it's very hard to do in this pin.
To replace this lightning port or to repair in this side is very hard job, because we can tear it without breaking or damaging inside components. So best way is to cut this wire and solder 3.5 mm connector and use it for Android or iPhone which has 3.5 mm port.
Here I will show you a headphone that I repaired from the damage of 3.5 mm jack. This is the earphone that I repaired from the same case, and but the problem is here. The connection is disconnected from here to from one piece of earphone, and I just cut half of this piece and open it, and when I look inside you can see like this connection, but this is I think 2.5 mm. Okay, this is 2.5 mm and 2.5 mm jack, because in this earphone there is no mic, and it is 2.5 mm is enough. This is 3.5 mm, and this is the earphone mobile headset pin connector. So in that headset there is a mic. So here you can see that we have here a 4 connection, and also you can see here 4 different isolated pin. Okay guys, I just got a old earpiece, and sorry about the color. This I got from it's already damaged, and I got from this my electronic trash, and I just show you that how to take out, and this is the end of the connector. I just show you how to reconnect it, and let's see, we can take out with our finger. Oh, it's too hard, like elastic. Yes, we got it. Now you will find 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now here I got the pin, and blue is left side, ear left side earphone speaker, and right is red. So sorry, red is right side earphone connection, and green is mic. Here is green, and green is mic, and remaining two wire is for the, I think, ground. So you have to ground it, remaining 2 pin. And here here I think you got how to find the pins, how to find the wires where it's from, and to solder it I just show you how to do it again. And now we have to burn this cotton, or whatever you can call this insulation, and just by first just burn it. Okay, not too much like I did now, and it's not good. Let's do it again. Okay, and when the insulation is burned, you will find a copper and you have to solder it. I think you can see, and you have to, sorry about the light, and you have to solder it, and it will get soldered. And this is the pin how look like of this 3.5 mm jack. And if it is, you have to find the proper pin and solder it. And if the copper is too much, just cut and solder the piece. Burning too much by burning too much insulation, you don't want to short each other, so do it carefully, and the thing will work without any problem. If the process is correct, then the earphone will work without any problem. All product link in the description below, so please go and check out. Please subscribe to my channel and support my channel, and I hope this video is helpful, so please share it with your friends and family.
The reason why I don't show you the working of the earphone, first I don't have any lightning port, and I checked it in my friend phone who gave me this, but it didn't work. I check again the connection that I soldered, but when I check the speaker, its diaphragm is missing, and I told to my friend, and he said he opened it, one plastic piece is fell down and missed. Actually the plastic piece is diaphragm, and without it the speaker can make any noise.